Today's the first day of Polyfest practice. Samoan group after school today.
Maonga whawhatau.
Tell me why the only person who wants to join Poly group isn't even Samoan.
What's a Polyfest?
What stage are we at?
Polyfest is like the Olympics of Pacific dance. This year is the 50th anniversary, which means St. Gabriel's has to make it count.
Lua pati male St. G's?
Lua pati male when? When?
You are all on retention.
Hey, you are going to be spending it in here every day after school.
Let's not have a repeat of last year.
We had a little incident.
It wasn't my fault. Things happen sometimes. That day was just a series of unfortunate things that happened. 2025 is gonna turn out really, really good.
Get lost! Face the front, can you focus?
Where does she see her like splashing her hair?
Like the motorbike style?
Can you just tell us what we need to fix?
For you, it's your face.
We've actually got 5 weeks to show everyone what we've got. So we need to focus.
Oi, focus. We have a new student, Leone.
She's from St. Teresa. They come first place every year.
Safe space.
For all of Tangaloa's creatures.
It's all right.
I'm the leader. This is my group.
How about I move you out of this group, Leone?
Move me then.
Leaders who are Poco always want to show off at the front.
We're gonna keep going until this is perfect.
Good leaders, they lead from behind.
You better be ready for this.
It's not good you have not come to see your mum at the cemetery yet.
Feels like kind of my destiny to be leader and to be Taupou like she was. Polyfest means everything to me.